Yo, what's good, ladies and gentlemen? This is Vikram G, back out here with Coach VTV, and on today's episode, we're about to show you how to make some Chipotle
Welcome to Chick-fil-A.
style grilled chicken nuggets. To start this recipe off, all you're going to need is some defrosted chicken breast, some pickle juice, and some milk. Yeah, so finna get straight into this. Let's get it. So to start off, we're just going to cut our chicken breasts into nugget-sized pieces. Already weighed my shit out. This is about 10 1/3 of an ounce. Once you got that chicken chopped up, like this, you're gonna add some pickle juice, about 150 milliliters worth, and then I'm going to add half the amount in milk. Got some 2% going here. There you go, we Gucci. So just gonna stir this around and then put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Just like this, mix it around a little bit, let all the flavors get in tune with each other, and marinate for 1 hour. Inside the fridge we go. And now you just chill out. Yes, oh. Extract your chicken. I'm gonna dry it out, dry it off. We don't got no paper towels out here. I have to use that Kleenex. Had it dry.
I'm in the ghetto.
Pretty dry, boys. Now we gotta season this shit up. We got garlic powder, chicken shawarma spice, smoked paprika, black pepper, chili powder, oregano, salt, and a little bit of monk fruit sweetener. Yes, oh.
At this point, boys, almost ready to eat. Throw that paprika, garlic powder, chicken shawarma spice, black pepper, chili powder, and that oregano, salt,
Tiny amount. Mix
and
this
that
up.
monk fruit sweetener. Mix it up.
Already smelling delicious.
You're about to enjoy this. Hit it with that avocado oil cooking spray. Get your chicken inside there. Give it a little bit of space in between, and hit it in that air fryer for 309 degrees Fahrenheit.
All right,
for 12
boys,
minutes.
just finished up cooking these copycat style Chick-fil-A grilled nuggets. Finna taste test this. And then they're crispy, boy. Just how I like them. This shit about to be busting, bro. I got some white sauce on the side. Already have a recipe that I will show y'all. Put a link in the description. Yes, oh. Muy bueno. That shit is bussin'. God damn, boy. That shit came out perfect. God damn. Another one. Boom. Honestly, holy fuck, boys. This shit is so fucking good. With the white sauce. Oh my gosh. The sauce motherfucking dripped on my pants, bruh. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, subscribe, because this shit is bussin'. Eat this with the white sauce to guarantee you will never struggle to lose weight again. Yes, sir. Appreciate y'all, man, and can't wait to see y'all next time. Until then, peace out, baby. Holy fuck, bro.
Oh, yeah.